So today is an interesting day because NASA has made, they've made an announcement. So NASA's mission provide new insights into ocean worlds in our solar system. Okay, so ocean worlds. For some time, I thought that the Earth was the only ocean world in our solar system, but some space probes, like the one called Cassini, has found that there are other worlds out there which are ocean worlds. Okay, so today's announcement was concerning NASA Cassini's mission to Saturn, and specifically to one of the moons of Saturn, which is called Enceladus, and it's on this Enceladus, and I'm just going to show it here. So when I search for Saturn, you will find that Saturn has this moon, and the name of this moon is Enceladus. Okay, but it also has other moons like this one, Tethys. It also has Mimas. It also has Rhea. It also has Hyperion. Okay, that looks like a rock. Okay, it also has, let's check on this side, Dion. Okay, it also has Titan, and there's another one around here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, this one, Locatus. So it has many moons, but we are interested today in this one here called Enceladus. So Enceladus, is this Enceladus? Yes, that's Enceladus. So if we go to information on Enceladus and click on information, there is all the information on the left. Enceladus is one of the innermost moons of Saturn. It is quite similar in size to Mimas, but has a smoother, brighter surface. Enceladus reflects almost 100% of the sunlight that strikes it, and as a result, the surface temperature is only minus 201 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you can get this information off the internet. Okay, but I'm more interested in perhaps, let me see if there's anything else. There's figures. Okay, so it's an average 237,948 kilometers distance from Saturn. Its radius is 252 kilometers. Its volume 6.7 times 10 to the power 7 kilometers cubed. Its mass 1.08 times 10 to the power 20 kilograms. Density 1.61 grams per cubic centimeter. Surface area 798,748 square kilometers. Gravity 0.113 meters per second square. Length of year 1.4 days, and the orbital velocity is 45,457 kilometers per hour. Okay, but really what I just want to talk about is really the fact that this mission is finally coming to an end. It arrived around Saturn in 1984, so it's been going on for about 13 years. Is it 2004? Sorry. So it's been going for about 13 years, and it's finally coming to an end, which means they are going to crash it into the rings. They're going to crash it into Saturn. So actually, it's going to orbit. So it's going to move into orbit and pass between some of the rings of Saturn, and eventually it will crash into the atmosphere of Saturn. Because it's running out of fuel after 20 years traveling, it's finally running out of fuel. But the scientists want to find out the composition of the atmosphere of this planet. So what they're going to do is crash it into Saturn, record as much information as possible before it crashes, before everything turns off, and then send back that information to the Earth mission, okay, before everything comes to an end. Okay, I've been listening to one of the videos for the people who have been running the project. Quite an emotional moment. Is going to be, I think, September 15. It's going to eventually crash. April 26th is the start of the 22 rings of orbit. So it's going to do like 22. Then on the 23rd one, or halfway between the 22nd and the 23rd, it's going to start its descent into the atmosphere of Saturn and eventually be destroyed. It's going to be quite a moment for the scientists and for the rest of the world, and for those who follow what is happening. So on this page, you've got Cassini at Saturn, and then that's the Cassini probe right there. So if we can zoom in, yeah, you can a little bit. You can zoom in a little bit. So that's the probe, and this is the probe which is recording all of the taking measurements of all of the elements that they are trying to find, or that they're trying to discover there. Okay, so you got some videos that you can watch. This is the long video, it's about an hour. You can watch this one. It's detailing the comments from the people who have been running the mission. Okay, then on this page you've also got the Hubble Space Telescope. Okay, and there's information also about some of the discoveries they've made with the Hubble Space Telescope, because the Hubble Space is actually one of the missions which was able to provide more information, okay, on water worlds, for example, around Uranus, around Jupiter, around Europa, okay. And then you've got that video, which you can also watch. NASA ingredients for life at Saturn's moon, Enceladus. Okay, so that's on the NASA Jet's Propulsion Laboratory YouTube page, YouTube channel. You can always subscribe to them like I've done. Okay, and you can always embed their video, because they allow you to embed their video onto your blog post if you're going to write a blog about this, like I'm about to do. Okay, then you've got the NASA Goddard, so that's another YouTube channel by NASA. Okay, Europa water vapor plumes, more Hubble evidence, so you can do that. And then Science Ocean World, Science at NASA, you can also watch that one. Okay, so there might be life on this planet, and if there is life, it'll be interesting to see what sort of life there is. So Enceladus, let's zoom into Enceladus once more. I was hoping to see, because we don't yet know what's there anyway, so we can't really, we don't know what the interior is like, but we may soon be finding out. So thank you for watching. Hopefully by the time of the final descent, we will have more information concerning life on that moon of Saturn, Enceladus. Thank you for watching.